So let's start writing a sentence. So whenever there's a sentence, we need a noun, right? There's always for a pronoun. So in French, it's prénom. So do you know what these are?
I don't think so.
There's a je, tu, il, elle, on, and then nous, vous, il, elle, right? So this can be like anyone. This can be like Ella, this can be Jacob, Edward, this can be Mamel. All of these, whatever, are pronouns, right? Good. We also need to have nouns. So what are nouns?
It's a place, thing.
So person, place, thing, right? So in French, it's personne, lieu, chose. So we need some nouns to put in a sentence, right?
Yeah.
Right. What else do we need in a sentence? Action. What are action words?
Verbs.
The ones verbs, right? We've conjugated a lot, right? Verbs. So the verb. So this are what verbs do we know? We know ER verbs now, right? What else do we know?
RE verbs.
RE verbs, right? And what's the last one? IR, right? Good. So these are what we need for a basic sentence. Okay, so do you want to try, right? What sentence? So let's think of really easy sentences in English. So, and make sure you know all the words. So let's say, I am eating an apple.
Je suis mange. Je suis.
So I get what you're saying. Je suis mange. Do you know what apple is in French?
Pomme.
Je suis mange une pomme.
Pomme.
Right, but in French, it's only je mange une pomme. You don't, if there's another verb after the am, you just do that verb. Okay? So je mange une pomme. Okay? So where is the pronoun in that sentence?
Je.
Right. Where is the noun in the sentence?
Pomme.
Pomme. And where's the verb in the sentence?
Mange.
Where's the action word? Mange, right. So let's do another sentence. What sentence do you want to write in French?
Who are you? That would be S.
He. So how do you spell the next word?
S is ES T. And then the what's it called? The line in the middle, like
dash.
This one, yeah, the dash, and then CE. Then it's what was it? It's that what could. I don't remember that.
Okay, so I'll make it easier for you. Okay, so who are you? So this is all you have to write. He et tu. Do you know why there's no T?
I only learned the long way, which I don't remember.
Oh, that's okay. We'll do it the short way right now. Okay, so he et tu. Do you know why there's no T? Do you know why there's no T at the end of the ES?
No.
It's because when we conjugate, this is the verb être, right? Do you remember this verb? So it's
Yes.
je suis, and then it's tu es. So this, when we conjugate it like this, there's no T at the end. So that stays the same even if we switch the order. So do you see et is first and then it's tu, right? Because we're asking a question. So because it's conjugated to here, you keep it the same spelling. Okay? Does that make sense?
Yes.
So if I was asking who is she, how would you say this?
He is
How do you spell it?
S. Wait. Then stay.
Good.
Ella.
But what's in the middle?
Dash.
Yeah.
Ella.
Qui était, right? Good.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's for questions right now, but let's do like normal sentences. Like, what other sentence do you want to write? Let's do I am a girl.
Je suis une. Je suis une. What was girl again? Je suis une. Fille.
Right, so how do you spell une fille?
U
Mhm.
N E F E L L E.
Good. So where is the pronoun?
Je.
Right, and pronoun is what in French?
Prénom.
Good. So où est le nom? So nom is noun. Où est le nom?
Fille.
Fille, right? And où est le verbe?
Sweet.
Suis, awesome. Do you know what the verb suis is under? Like, what is the verb that you conjugated suis from? So suis is part of what family of verb? So if it helps you, so mange is a conjugation. Mange is a conjugation of the verb manger. So what is suis a conjugation of?
It is. What was it? Être.
Être, awesome.